Hello guys, Zach at Opportunities Niche here. You are welcome to this video, and I'm going to be showing you why selling your information, your knowledge, your experience in form of video is better than ebooks and other options. Okay, so if this is your first time to this episode, we just started a new series on what we call the A to Z of information packaging and marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you why you should package your information in form of video course tutorials than ebooks and other options as a newbie. Okay, so now the reason why you have to package your information in form of video is that one, video is more engaging, so people tend to engage with video more than reading books. So another reason is that videos are more comprehensive. Okay, so now assuming you prepare, your cake, you are a cake baker, like I said, you want to sell out the knowledge on how to bake cake in form of ebook. You write the step, you put the picture. Yes, it's going to be sellable. Mind you, this is my own opinion, right? So it's going to be sellable. People are going to buy. But packaging that same cake baking in form of video tutorial where you show all the steps just like you are showing in the book, in the ebook side, if you decide to now use videos and you show all the steps, it is more comprehensive, it is more understandable. People tend to understand it more. So the third reason why I say you should sell your information, your skill, your knowledge, your experience in form of videos is that videos tend to sell better when it comes to organic sales. So monetization, that is just the short word for it. So assuming that you can put your videos, you can, when your course or your training, your skills in form of video, you can easily put them, you can easily put this thing on YouTube, organic sales, especially on YouTube, on Instagram, and you see that people are, as people watch this, your tutorials, your courses, you are going to be making money organically. So the last but not the least of why I prefer you put your skill, your knowledge, your experience that you want to sell out to people in form of video than ebook and others is that videos are more sellable. And the simple reason why they are more sellable, people tend to buy more of video courses, is that yes, it is, what I said before, it is more comprehensive. So people are okay, put yourself in the shoe of the buyer. So assuming somebody wants to teach you cake baking, video editing, all those things, and the person lists the step in form of book, and this second person, the second seller, lists them in form of video tutorial, you watch as the person do it. So which one will you go for? Like, which one will you go for? Definitely for me, I will go for the person that will show me video step by step. So that is why it is more sellable. So what people tend to understand or prefer, that is what they will buy more. So those are the reasons why I prefer you sell your course or your skill, your knowledge, your experience in form of video than selling them in form of ebook. This is my own personal opinion based from these 4 experience I have over them. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video. So if you would like this video and this particular series we are running on A to Z of information packaging and marketing, I want you to give us a thumb up, like this video, and also subscribe, and also turn the bell notification so that you will be the first person to receive the video we drop on day. Remember, we drop 2 videos or 1 minimum per day in this particular series. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.